Hello there, folks. I'm here in Berkeley, California, and look at the size of these Canary Island day palms. Those are definitely up there with some of the biggest I've ever seen. I mean, look at the size of that. Crazy. Huge palms. Unreal. I mean, I don't know how old, like, it's probably close to when the town was founded. I mean, these have got to be over 100 years old. Look at the root, just like the root mass on this thing. It's crazy. Beautiful Camerops humulus there. Look at that. That is actually, I mean, these palms are, this is easily like a 30-foot building. These palms have got to be, I mean, they've got to be like close to 100 feet. At least. They're huge. Look at that. Try to get a shot of that. Really gorgeous. Some of the biggest Canary Island day palms I've ever seen for sure. Beautiful. Let's go check out some other ones too. But these are insane. I could not believe it. Really cool. Really, some really nice buildings here. Very impressive. Look at those. Look at those day palms. Phoenix canariensis. They do great here in the Bay Area. Look at that. You can see just across down there. Look at those washies leaning over the street there, all the way up there. Those have got to be like at least 80 feet. And then let's go check out some more Phoenix canariensis. Look at these beautiful buildings here. Really cool. Up here we got more Phoenix canariensis. Beautiful. Look at that one. That one's also huge. And then this is no small palm either behind that tree there. These beautiful buildings here. Really cool. It's so interesting, the mix of architectures here. Look at that thing. Look at those palms. Gorgeous. Really beautiful. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned. Take care.